You know, it's tough being a Canadian in New York. I always have trouble fitting in. Here's the day after the snowstorm, February 11th, 2010. And you can tell the Americans, that's American, that's American, that's American, there goes another American, and so on, down the road. American, American, American. This guy might be from Buffalo. Definitely American. Oh wait, what do we have here? This must be a Canadian-owned vehicle. Look at that, totally clear. Canadian props in the back. Even got a side entry cleared. And of course, can't forget, gotta represent. All right, guys, enjoy.